Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you essay on topic Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's begin. India celebrates Republic Day on January 26th annually with a lot of pride and fervor. It is a day that is important to every Indian citizen. It marks the day when India becomes truly independent and embraced democracy. In other words, it celebrated the day on which our constitution came into effect. January 1950, almost 3 years post independence, we became a sovereign, secular, socialist democratic republic. History of Republic Day. While we got independence from British rule on August 15, 1947, our country was still lacking a concrete constitution. Moreover, India also did not have any expert and political powers, which would help in the functioning of the state affairs smoothly. Up until then, the 1935 Government of India Act was basically modified in order to govern. However, that act was more bent towards the colonial rule. Therefore, there was a dire need to form an exclusive constitution that would reflect all that India stands for. Thus, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar led a constitutional drafting committee on August 28, 1947. No matter the challenges and hardship, our constitutional committee left no stone unturned to include rights for all. It aimed to create the perfect balance so all the citizens of the country could enjoy equal rights pertaining to their religious, cultural, caste, sex, creed, and more. At last, they presented the official Indian constitution to the country on January 26, 1950. Moreover, the first session of the Indian Parliament was also conducted on this day. In addition to that, 26th January also witnessed the swearing in of India's first president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Thus, this day is very important as it marks the end of the British rule and the birth of India as a republic state. On this day, the president of our country hoists the national flag in New Delhi near the India Gate. The ceremony has many presentations and the national anthem is sung. This day is marked as a national holiday and it is celebrated like a national festival. So guys, that is it for today. Do like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching my video and please do subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.